Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the amazing cancer-fighting power of chia seeds. While there is no one-size-fits-all cure, research has shown that certain superfoods may help reduce the risk of developing this disease and fight cancer cells. Chia seeds have been extensively studied, and the scientific evidence for their anti-cancer properties is overwhelming. So, grab a pen and paper because we're going to share with you detailed examples of human studies that have shown just how effective these seeds can be in helping to prevent and treat cancer. Watch till the end for additional tips on how you can incorporate these super seeds into your diet. Several scientific studies have shown that consuming chia seeds can help to prevent and treat cancer. One notable example is a 2018 research published in the Journal of Food Science that revealed that chia seeds can aid in the prevention and treatment of breast cancer. Another study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism in 2007 found that eating chia seeds may reduce the risk of developing breast cancer. The study followed a sample size of 1,500 women and showed that those who consumed the most alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which is found in chia seeds, had a 60% lower risk of developing breast cancer compared to those who consumed the least. Another research, published by the same journal in 2018, examined the effects of chia seeds on breast cancer. The study involved 36 postmenopausal women who were given 25 grams of chia seeds daily for 12 weeks. The findings showed a significant reduction in breast cancer risk markers such as insulin resistance and inflammation. Furthermore, in another study published the following year in the Journal of Molecular Biochemistry, researchers discovered that chia seeds may inhibit the growth of breast cancer cells and induce apoptosis, or cell death. The study involved 20 breast cancer patients and found that after 12 weeks of consuming chia seeds, there was a significant reduction in tumor markers. In fact, tumor markers reduced by an average of 24.8%. In yet another study published in the Journal of Molecular Biochemistry in 2015 found that chia seeds can induce cell death in cancer cells. The study involved 22 patients with breast cancer. The researchers gave the patients 50 grams of chia seeds every day for 6 weeks. At the end of their study, the researchers noted that chia seeds could reduce the expression of certain genes involved in cancer growth while increasing the expression of genes involved in cell death. The overall result was a decrease in cancer cell proliferation. Finally, a study published in the Journal of Molecular Biochemistry in 2013 also found that chia seeds and chia seed extract was effective in inhibiting the growth of human breast cancer cells in vitro. The researchers conducted the experiment on MCF7 breast cancer cells and discovered that chia seeds caused the cancer cells to undergo apoptosis, cell death. The researchers concluded that the anti-cancer properties of chia seeds were due to their high levels of phenolic acids, flavonoids, and omega-3 fatty acids. A great number of research studies have examined the impact of chia seeds on colon cancer. In 2016, a study published in the journal Cancer Prevention Research looked at how consuming chia seeds affected markers of colon cancer risk in humans. The study included 77 participants at high risk for colon cancer who were put on chia seed supplementation for 12 weeks. The results showed a significant reduction in inflammation and other features of colon cancer, as well as on the size and number of polyps in the colon, which are often a precursor to colon cancer. In the same year, 2016, another study published by the journal Anti-Cancer Research looked at what chia seed extract did to colon cancer cells in a lab setting. The sample size of this study was 6 cell lines. The study found that chia seed extract could cause colon cancer cells to die, and the researchers suggested that eating chia seeds might be a potential dietary intervention for colon cancer. In a 2017 study that was published in the Journal of Molecular Biochemistry, researchers looked at how chia seeds affect colon cancer. The research sample size involved 20 patients with colon cancer who were given 30 grams of chia seeds daily for 12 weeks. The results showed that the patients had a significant drop in inflammation markers linked to colon cancer and an increase in antioxidants. Chia seeds can significantly help to reduce and treat inflammation, overweight, hypertension, and diabetes. In a study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology in 2015, the effects of chia seed supplementation on blood pressure and inflammation were investigated in type 2 diabetic patients. The study involved 77 participants who were randomly assigned to receive either 35 grams of chia seeds or wheat bran daily for 12 weeks. The results showed that the chia seed group had a significant reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, as well as a significant decrease in C-reactive protein and interleukin-6 levels compared to the control group. The study found that taking chia seed supplements can help people with type 2 diabetes with their blood pressure and inflammation. Another research, published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2018, examined the effects of chia seeds on blood pressure and markers of cardiovascular health in type 2 diabetes patients. The study involved 77 patients who were randomly assigned to receive either a chia seed supplement or a placebo for 12 weeks. The researchers found that the chia seed group had significant reductions in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, as well as improvements in several markers of cardiovascular health, compared to the placebo group. Furthermore, research published by the Nutrition Research Journal in 2016 found that consuming chia seeds can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a higher risk of cancer, so reducing inflammation is key to reducing the risk of cancer. The study involved 45 overweight adults, and the researchers found that consuming 50 grams of chia seeds per day for 12 weeks reduced inflammation markers in the body by up to 40%. Now that we've seen how chia seeds can help fight cancer, you might be wondering how to incorporate them into your diet. Here are a few ideas. You can add chia seeds to your morning smoothie or oatmeal. Chia seeds could be used as a dip for veggies or a spread on salads and sandwiches. You can as well sprinkle chia seeds on your salad or stir-fry. As you can see, all of these studies provide strong scientific evidence for the potential health benefits of chia seeds and their compelling cancer-fighting properties. These seeds are important for anyone looking to prevent or treat cancer because they inhibit the growth of cancer cells, lower blood pressure, reduce oxidative stress, improve cardiovascular health, and reduce markers of inflammation. Plus, these studies were conducted on humans, so the results are highly relevant and applicable. We hope that this video has been informative and has encouraged you to add these super seeds to your diet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos on natural foods. Thanks for watching.